Okay, I'm here waiting for my flight at the Torrance Airport, Zampering away, and I just took the time off in this cargo van back to bring you some Amz5x12 matrix, and typically now we have hardly ever done the 5x5. We have done some 4x4s and 3x3s. But this is just the 5x5. Yours truly, Dolphy Gilpin here with you at the Torrance Airport, Zampering away in Los Angeles, California, Los Angeles County. So here is the 5x5 circuitry here, and we have put in resistances in algebraic form: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, F, J, K. We're putting in some voltage here, voltage, and we know that we have a 5x5 to solve. Well, firstly, we established the matrix with our known R11, R12, R13, R14, R15 to R55, which is the last one here. And we established the equation V equals Ri, or Ri equals V. And we put in the elements by inspection, like the R11 would be A plus B plus that, A plus B plus D. R12 would be minus D here is a D, the mutual, and it's minus because it's shared. And so we have established all these elements of the 5x5 by inspection from the matrix here. And these are there here. I have a short time, so I therefore cannot spend a lot of time on it here. R11, R22, R33, R44, R55, A plus C plus D, B plus D, E, G plus J, and C plus F. Now R12 equal R21 equals minus D, R23 equal R32 equals 0, R14 equal R41 equals 0, R32 equal R23 equals 0, R24 equal R42, and so on, coming down the line. And what we did here also, we just, after solving this, we can solve it by a Casio FX99 calculator. Although these elements are very minute size, we could solve our matrices and determinants by a Casio FX99 that is designed to solve matrix equation. We just put in some conductances here, but we're going to be working with some conductance in the future, and we're going to be working with fractions. As you know, conductance is 1 over G is equal to 1 over the resistance. So we don't have another fractional thing to work with here, and these are the fractions worked out here. And we're going to work with admittance, y equal 1 over z, which is the inverse of impedance, and susceptance, which is the imaginary part of the admittance. And all this, all these units are in Suemens. So once again, I've taken a short time from my flight here in Torrance to bring you the 5x5 solution and to introduce the conductance, admittance, and susceptance. We're going to deal with it much more to come. So we're just making use of this cargo van bus in a productive way. It's really designed for the aviation, and my flight is just awaiting me here at the Sling Torrance Airport, Zampering away. So I thank you for your time that you spent, and you could go ahead and try to solve this 5x5 product of the Amz5x12 matrix.